Here we go! Hello everyone! Wow, what a beautiful entrance! Good day everyone and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, I'm trainer first and I would like to meet my friends together with the trainers one at a time. On your left side is the only male South American sea lion that we have. And according to his trainer, he is the handsome one. Wow, confident! His name is Vincent. Together with trainer Vince, say hi! While on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lion that we have. And according to his trainer, she is the sexiest. Oh, don't be shy girl. Her name is Sandra. Together with trainer JB, say hello! Now let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they're called feet or feathers in marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey buddy, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term pinniped may be also translated as wing-footed, since their flipper do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be blind underwater as they swim from place to place, right buddies? And you know, they are often mistaken as a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a sea lion is the fact they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright right on land. And that's the fine demonstration of what round of applause for sea lion friends. And you know what guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? How about another round of applause for sea lion friends? As you can see, their bodies covered with a thin coat of short coarse hair. And their whiskers help the sea lion's sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers which make them sensitive. Wow, nice smile. They may also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from prey in the water. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like many marine mammals, can see both above and underwater. They have keen eyesight but no color visions. In the wild, they inhabit waters close to shore, plant rocky cliffs with typhoons, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Check this out. Surely strong front flippers. Now, let's talk about their swimming abilities. And let's start with Vincent, the handsome one. Sea lions generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour, using the rowing movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for steering. And that is the normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you, Vincent and Vince. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to, ready Sandra? 25 miles per hour. That is so fast. Our round of applause for Sandra. That's sexy, yes. Wow, nice guy, girl. And another one, she deserves it. Now, here's an interesting story about the sea lion. Did you know that the US Navy has trained a few of them to take part in their special operations? Yup, that's right. They are able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes and they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy diver would be envious of. And since cannot be detected by radar underwater, they are taught to recognize and avoid underwater mines. Alright, buddies trainers, are you ready? Well then, salute! Now, let's march. Ready? Hop, 2, 3, 4, hop, 2, salute! Now, this time, could you please join our sea lion in a salute? In a count of 3, everybody please salute and make this one now. Alright guys, are you ready? Hey guys, I can't hear you. Are you ready? Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3. Salute everybody. Thank you so much. Well, sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. H2O. Okay, trainers, what first? The ring. Go ahead and get the ring, sea lion friends. And they got it. How about a round of applause for Vincent and Sandra? Great job, buddies. And another one. They're asking for it. So trainers, what next? The ball. How do you think they get the ball? It's a... Okay, let's wait for Vincent and Sandra. Okay, one more time. Say, ball buddies! Careful, buddies! Almost there! Careful! Go, Sandra! Steady it! Fantastic! How about a round of applause for Sea Lion Friends? Excellent work, buddies! This time, would you love to see a dance number from our Sea Lion friends? Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see the dance? Well, here, maestro! Let's move it! Clap your hands, everybody, come on! And now, rotate the side by side. And the flipper dancing into the water. Water, twisting and turning. What a beautiful twisting, Sandra. And around the world we'll go, round and round. On the other side, round and round. Okay, Sandra, show them that boogie boogie. Boogie boogie, shake, shake, shake. Wow, speeds and wild. Our favorite part, the boogie shaker. Shake those boogies. Go for your chicken, yeah, wow. And keep on going. Okay, Sandra, show them what you got. People at the crowd, ready your camera. Because this is the best. Steady it. Arriba! And for the finale. Steady it. the trainers as well for the great dance number. It's sweet! We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at Aquatica with your newfound friends, the South American Sea Lions, Vincent and Sandra. And we also hope that even after you leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember, what we do here on NAT greatly affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions, like many marine animals, cannot survive at what built the environment. So let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollutions, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside our ocean. Always keep in mind that we are steward of our planet and thus